Hello guys, today I'll show you how to receive any amount of loan on Trust Wallet. I have received mine and it's very easy to get. Just watch the video to the end to get yours. Go to your Telegram and open the Trust Wallet loan bot. The link to the bot is pinned in the comments section below. Click on Start. Then select Announcement. Here we have the terms and conditions. To receive the loan, click on Agree. After that, click on the main menu to proceed and get your loan. Click on Get Loan. After that, you'll select the coin you want to receive your loan with. In this video, I'll be using USDT. Here, you'll select how much you want to receive. In this video, I'll be getting 1000 USDT. Here, you'll have to submit the USDT address you want to receive your loan with. So I'll proceed to my Trust Wallet to copy the address. And paste the address in the bot. After submitting your wallet address, a network fee is required for receiving the loan. The network fee for 1000 USDT is $15. You can pay the fee to any of the addresses provided. I'll be paying in USDT. So I'll copy the payment address and proceed to my Trust Wallet to make the payment and receive my loan. Here, I'll paste the address I copied, and enter the 15 USDT I want to send. I'll click on Confirm to make the payment. I have successfully paid the transaction fee, so I'll go back to the bot to proceed. Click on Validate Payment. After that, you'll have to submit the transaction hash as payment proof. So I'll go to my Trust Wallet and copy the transaction hash. I have successfully copied the transaction hash, so I'll proceed to the bot to paste it. Here, the payment is being validated. It only takes a few seconds to validate payment. And that's it. The payment has been validated successful and the 1000 USDT has been sent to my wallet. I'll proceed to my wallet to confirm the payment. This is my wallet. I just have to refresh the wallet. And that's it. I have successfully received the 1000 USDT loan. As you can see, the 1000 USDT has been sent to my wallet. It's very easy to get. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.